Other questions? Yes, sir.
Do you think there's a possibility that there will be a hearing of any kind to reinstate the Voting Rights Act? We understand that the Supreme Court has made a decision, and that decision is actually Congress's. And so this coming election, midterm election, will be the first time without us in that place. And our presidential election in less than 2 years will be coming up. Do you think there's a possibility of a hearing of some form to reinstate it?
There's definitely a possibility. The probability depends on the outcome of this midterm election. And the probability also depends on the amount of grassroots concern we can generate. Here's what we've seen in Washington. Prior to Shelby versus Holder, on a bipartisan basis, Democrats and Republicans have supported the Voting Rights Act again and again, because the understanding has been heretofore that Americans get this. They don't see this as a partisan issue. They don't see it as a Democrat or Republican issue. For example, when it comes to early voting, there are states where Republicans initially supported early voting because those who voted early tended to be older, more conservative, and more reliably Republican. As time has progressed, those early voters tend to be younger, more Democratic, and less reliably Republican. But the point being here is, we were going to say to this Congress, before and after the election, that protecting the right to vote crosses party lines. It's above partisan politics, and it's something that the people want. And so the point being here is we got to make a case. And that's what we have to do, and that's what the NAACP has always done. And I would simply say to those in Washington who are unduly pessimistic about our ability to get a hearing, let us know that when we were founded at the turn of the century, we called for an end to lynching immediately. It took us decade upon decade to get that done. So we're not given to giving up. So the point being here is the probability depends on how much grassroots support we can generate and the outcome of this midterm election.